Hi children, today we are discussing about exploring cells in details. Have you ever wondered what the inside of your body, how we can see things that are too small for our eyes? Yes, we can see the small things in microscope by using of microscopes. Today we are discussing about an introduction to observing cells with a light microscope. Look at the picture and guess the picture. So the picture is what body organ has tissue that resembles this when viewed under the microscope. Okay. Yes, this is lung tissue. You are guessed it right. Most of the people not identified. So it's a microscopic view of lung tissue. Scientists and researchers and use microscopes to see objects and structures too small to be visible the naked eye. Okay. Okay. Today you will learn describe why cells are called the building blocks of life. Name the parts of light microscope. Explain how to use microscope. So first we learn about what is a cell. A cell is the smallest unit of living thing. It is the basic building block of all living organisms. There are two types of the cells, plant cells and animal cells. So this is the plant cell. Plant cell have a cell wall and animal cell does not have cell wall, only plasma membrane it have it. What is the cell? A living thing may be made of one cell. If it is made up of one cell, it is called unicellular organisms. Or many cells, it is called multicellular organisms. Children, give me some examples of unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. So write any two examples. So in human, yes, unicellular organisms, for example, amoeba, euglena, paramecium, yeast, etc. In multicellular organisms, all are humans, mammals, fish, etc. In humans, have about 37.2 trillion cells in their body. Humans are multicellular organisms. Yes, humans are multicellular organisms. Euglena is a unicellular organism. Discovering the cell. Who coined the term cell and how did he discover it? So I once again, who coined the term cell and how did he discover it? Read the book and answer the question. The light microscope. You see the light microscope. Yes, is it in your school? Cell sizes can vary from about 0.001 millimeters to 0.1 millimeters long. To see cells up close, we use a light microscope. It provides a magnified image of small structures and samples. So first we learn about parts of microscope, light microscope. Coarse adjustment wheel, objective lens, eyepieces, aperture, fine adjustment wheel, mirror, stage, rotating nose. Okay, these are parts of light microscope. Rotating nose, this one, objective lens, stage, aperture, mirror or light source, fine adjustment, coarse adjustment wheel, eyepiece, maybe 10x, 40x used in light microscope. How to use a microscope? If you have never used a light microscope before, this handy guide will explain how it's done. Step 1. Turn the light microscope on. Move the mirror to reflect the light up towards the eyepiece and check that the aperture is wide open. Step 2. Turn the resolving nose piece so the lowest objective pointing directly. How to use a microscope? If you have never used a light microscope before, this handy guide will explain how it's done. Step 3. Place your specimen on the stage. Okay, step 7. Once you have seen, switch the medium and high power objective lens. Use the fine adjustment wheel to bring the specimen into focus as necessary. Tracing the path light. Okay, yes. What are the cells? How does a microscope work? A microscope magnifies the structure of the specimen. Specimen must be brought into focus to be viewed. This is done by moving the coarse and fine adjustment wheels. Yes, you learn it. What are cells? A cell is the smallest unit of living thing. An organism may be made up of one cell or many cells. If made up of one cell, we call unicellular. If it made many cells, it called multicellular. Okay. Assignment, students preparing the specimen. How do you prepare mounds of both cheek cells and onion epidermis? Yes, it is in 8th class standard. You can use the internet or any resources from your library, or you can done in laboratory with the help of teacher. You can do it how to prepare the specimen. Thank you children. Have a nice day.